Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial is I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to add Calendly to your Wix website so you can easily schedule meetings or appointments directly to your site. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to open your browser and then log into your Wix account. And then once you're logged in, you just need to go to your website's dashboard and then click on edit site. And then here, guys, now that you're in the editor, look on the left sidebar and then find the app market. Click on it to open the app market where you can add different features to your site. And then here in the search bar, you just need to type Calendly. The app market will display a list of relevant apps and then select the Calendly app to proceed. And then after that one is you just need to tap on the app that you need to go, and then after that one is you just need to click on the add to site button after tapping the app. As you can see here, in order to install this Calendly on your website, you just need to click on the add to site button. And then a pop-up will appear asking for permissions to add the app. Confirm your choice. And then after adding Calendly, you will be redirected to a setting page where you can customize your Calendly widget. So you can choose your preferred layout, color, scheme, and then configure the calendar availability based on your preferences. Next, you can also choose where you want the calendar widget to appear on your site. And then once you're happy with it, you can hit the publish button in the top right corner to make the change live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your website. This is a great way to make your scheduling process more efficient and user friendly. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.